Breaking the Wall of Hydrogen Energy. Boutaina Boujrada. Falling Walls Lab, Jeddah.
So, we use the public transportation every day, like cars, buses. But when we are using it, driving it, are we thinking about the emissions of the exist of it? Of course we're not. Actually, we are thinking only, are we gonna late to work or not? So, ladies and gentlemen, actually we should think about it. Because regarding to the source of air pollution, actually more than 60% of the carbon monoxide, the enemy of the environment and the most causes of the global warming, actually is only produced from the emissions of the transportations, and to be more specific, from cars and buses. Of course, we heard about the electric cars or the hydrogen cars, and it seems a great idea. But actually, the electric cars, what about the lithium batteries? Is it fully environmental friendly? No. And also the hydrogen cars. Actually, like in hydrogen car, they're using the principle of fuel cell, reacting both hydrogen and oxygen in the fuel cell to produce only electricity and water as an emission. But actually, in the power plant, they are, of course, using the cheaper way to produce hydrogen, which is burning the fossil fuel, because the renewable sources, of course, cost more. And also, another problem in those hydrogen cars right now, that the transformation of the hydrogen from the power plant to the car, to the pump station and to the car, actually makes the hydrogen loses about 40% of its efficiency. But what about the water wheels car? This idea actually of this car is fueled only by water and then electrolyzes the water to both hydrogen and oxygen provided by the solar system energy in the roof of the car. And this car could move 350 kilometers with 4 kilograms of hydrogen. After electrolysis the water, of course, we need an electrolyte to make it more faster, this process of electrolysis, because it's considered to be more slower. And then they're gonna both react on the fuel cell to produce the electricity that makes the car works. Actually, regarding to the money that we are really thinking that we're gonna lose, we will not be able to eat it if we lose our planet. Thank you so much.